In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Perplexity AI. If you spend a lot of time researching or chatting with AI, switching to a darker theme can reduce eye strain, improve focus, and make late-night sessions much more comfortable. I'll walk you through the exact steps, keep it simple, and offer a few tips along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Perplexity AI website. Log into your account so you can access your personal settings. If you're already signed in, give the page a quick refresh to make sure you're seeing the latest interface. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. It might show your avatar or a generic initial. Click that icon to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, select Preferences. This is where Perplexity keeps the core settings for your account and display options. Inside Preferences, find the section labeled Appearance. This is the control center for how the interface looks and feels. By the way, I've placed the official website link right at the top of the description so you can get to Perplexity quickly. If you prefer using an app, you'll also find a download link there for easy access. In Appearance, open the Theme drop-down. Choose Dark to immediately switch the interface to a darker color scheme. You'll also see options for Light, if you prefer a brighter look, and System Default, which automatically matches your device's theme settings. System Default is a great choice if you want Perplexity to follow your computer or phone's day and night schedule without manual changes. After you select Dark, there's nothing extra you need to confirm. The change is instant. You should see the background and panels transition right away. Take a moment to verify that dark mode is active across the interface. The main workspace, sidebars, and settings should all appear with darker tones that are easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. If you ever want to switch back, just return to Preferences, go to Appearance, and pick Light or System Default. And if the theme doesn't seem to update, reload the page to nudge the change through. That's it. You've enabled dark mode in Perplexity AI quickly and cleanly. If this helped, feel free to share it with someone who could use a more comfortable viewing experience. Thanks for watching.